in Barcelona. Again. Ang pangit na intro. Hi everyone, guess where I am? I'm in Barcelona again. Yes. Nandito na naman ako kasi meron akong bono. Tapos, sayang naman siya pag di ko siya nagamit. So, I'm here for a day trip. So, our agenda for today is that check ko lang. Wait lang. So, medyo food trip and buying the essentials lang. So, I'm just gonna walk around. Kasi, ayoko sana bumili ng Metro card. So, I'm gonna walk around. And I'm going to... Daan mo na ako Arc de Trayong. And then, papunta ako is sa Cathedral. Actually, madadaanan ko yung Basilica pa. Hindi ko pa sure kung Basilica to or Cathedral. And then, after nun, didiretso ako dun sa bakery ng Filipino pandesal. Kailangan ko ng pandesal. Wala lang. Ang dami nagpapabili din sa akin. So, that's the agenda for today. So, let's go. OOTD. So much green. Samputla ako. Maglalagay na ako ng lip balm tsaka lipstick siguro later. But right now, naglalakad lang ako. I'm not that hungry kasi 'di ba parang few weeks ago before nung wedding ni RJ at ni Maria, naka-fasting talaga ako. So I eat at mga 2 PM pa. So I think I can hold this off until makarating ako dun sa baking up. So let's go! Guys, yung dinadaanan ko, parang siyang may mga anong tawag dito? May mga small boots. Tingnan niyo, ang cute. Kasi na-problem. So, katulad nung ginawa ko sa Montserrat, I do not have an itinerary for today. I'm just gonna keep walking until I figure out what I wanna do. Because I just want this to be a chill day. Actually, ang agenda lang naman today ay bumili ng ube pandesal tsaka na Spanish bread. Kaya ayun. So, ito ata yung simbahan. Nasa harap ko na siya, guys. So, let's go. Alam nyo, nagugustuhan ko siya today kasi yung lakad ko, I just go to alleyways and there's always people in it naman. So, it's not scary and it's broad daylight. Tapos wala naman sila mananakaw sa akin kasi wala naman ako pera. So, diba? Anyways, I'm almost here. So, let's see. So, nandito ako sa Ayuntamiento area nila and it's nice. Actually, hindi ko lang sabihin ko. Okay naman siya. Bakit ko maging vlogger? Hindi ako marunong mag-explain ng places, guys. Tapos, dalawa daw pong crinkles. Wait. Ito po, chocolate po. Tapos, isa na lang po nito. Wala na po akong pera. Maka-order yung mga tao, kala mo. Kaya nga, parang mali pala sinabi ko nandito ako.
Possible yung tawag. Kaya na. 75 each yan naman ang ano. American coffee. American coffee.
Guys, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Tapos, na-energize na ako kasi ang sarap nung kinain ko. Pwede ba tumayo muna dito? Didikit ba to? Hindi siya didikit. But, naganap na didikitan. But, I had such good breakfast sa Foreign de Manila. So, if you're visiting Barcelona, you should try Foreign de Manila. They have a wide variety of breads na, breads like Filipino. They have Spanish bread, of course. Ube pandesal, regular pandesal. And the price is like 0.75 halos lahat ng food, and then if not, it's 150. So super sulit. I had like 3 breads, and then nag-buy din ako ng drink kasi meron silang matcha latte, ube latte. You know, it's a regular cafe but it's very small. So nag-ano kami, may kasama ka. Bumili lang ako ng ube latte kahit hindi naman talaga dapat dun ako mag-ube for today, but I was really so hungry. And now I'm just walking around. I'm walking, it's another 30-minute walk. I'm going to Uniqlo and to Muji. So let's go. Guys, hindi ako makadecide kung saan ako pupunta. So it's 3 p.m. I'm still full from the breakfast. Kasi, di ba, someone na hindi naman nagbe-breakfast talaga, ang bilis ko tuloy mabusog. So, right now, what's the plan? So, the plan is, maglalakad ako, papunta doon sa Ube Cafe, and then when I feel like drinking ube again, I'll go inside. But if not, I found also, like, it's a 25-minute walk from here, yung Filipino street food. So, excited ako mag-fishball. So, I was thinking mag-fishball muna and then pabalik mag-cheesecake. And then when I get the ube frap maybe, puro kain ako today. Diretso na ako sa park di Ciutadella to rest there maybe mga 1 hour. Tapos after, uwian na. I can't wait to go home actually. Na-realize ko medyo tita na pala ako kasi hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko dito sa Barcelona. Wala naman, di mo na ako shopping. So, ayun. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Guys, tapos na ako mag-lunch. Ang sarap ng tapa. Actually, pili ko masarap yung suka na balance niya. Anyway, so, last stop na kasi busog na ako. But I really wanna try the ube cheesecake dun sa Ube Cafe here. So, we're going there. And then, after that, mag-park na ako. Tapos dun ako mag-wait ng 8 p.m. So, let's go! So far, grabe ang food trip today. Kailangan i-burn after. Ano po? Isa pong ube cheesecake.
Bale.
Tapos ito po bestseller niya sa drinks.
Ano ba?
Bestseller po.
Ubi Coco po.
Ube po.
Opo, kasi medyo mas balance po yung lasa niya.
Ano yung lasa ba na
Medyo mas less sweet po siya. Pero sa dito po is ube latte po.
Ube latte. Sige. Ube latte yun.
Malamig po, no? Bale pa. Anything else po?
Papunta na ako sa park. Sobrang busog ako, guys. As in, hi. Food coma. Ganda ng song na pinapakinggan ko. Finally, magta-tram na ako. Bibili na ako ng one way. Kasi doon ako mag-stay sa area ko. Kung saan malapit? And then, ayun na. Tatambay na lang ako sa park tsaka sa art. I'm so tired. Hello guys. So, I'm here at the Park Ciutadella? I'm not sure. But yung malaking park sa may harap ng Arc de Triomphe. And nakatambay lang ako while waiting for my bus. So, luckily I have a book. I'm just gonna read it for the next 2 hours. And then, ayun, rest for a while. It's kind of cloudy today. I hope it doesn't rain. You can see naman na it's cloudy. And ayun lang. Kanina sa Ube shop, super cute kasi yung waiter tsaka yung owner ata or basta yung tao sa cashier. Tinanong nila kasi nga ako if vlogger daw ako, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, hala, hindi po pero nagsa-start and everything. Wala lang, it's really nice when some people just boost your confidence. Lalo na pag strangers, nung sinabi ko na nahiya ako, sabi nila, hindi, huwag ka mahiya, i-go mo yan, push mo yan, gano'n. So parang, super nice lang sa feeling na may mga ganong tao na even if you don't know them personally, they would really try their best to boost your confidence. And I think like we need more of those people, especially now that ang daming nangyayari sa mundo. So having those kind of people or at least like meeting them would be really nice. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna read my book and rest for a while. Sunglasses ko, pero ito lang yung nasa bag. Parang fresh tayo dyan. Hi guys! So, good afternoon. So, it's already Tuesday and it's 2:15 p.m. And I'm here in a cafe called Santa Gloria. And wini-wait ko lang si Tin kasi I have her ube pandesal and she will be getting it today. So, since I work at 4:30 pa, I still have like an hour here to meet her. Kasi usually 45 minutes yung biyahe, 30 to 45 minutes. Sa punta dun sa school nung kid na sino-tutor babysit ko. So, mag-stay muna ako dito to work. I have my laptop and I bought something new. I got myself finally a new HDD hard drive kasi puno na yung space ng phone ko kasi every week, diba, may na-upload ako from the Osmo and napupuno na rin yung storage sa laptop. So, super hassle. I was supposed to get the SSD kaso mas mahal siya. So, I think I don't need it yet. Siguro next time pag mag-upgrade ako. But this one is a good buy because it's already 5 terabyte. The one I have is 1 terabyte lang. So, super duper helpful. So, that's it. I also have a croissant, the regular one. And yeah, basically that's it. And let's go start. Hello, napuwing ako. Reset. So, it's kind of windy right now, but ay, saan ba ako sakay? Dito pala. Medyo bobo. It's kind of windy right now. Tapos, it's also sunny, so it's very nice weather. So, I'm off to my other sideline, which is yung babysitting. And I'm very happy about the hard drive kasi nahirapan lang ako mag-install. But overall, it's okay. So, let's see ilang minutes yung bus ko. Di pa siya, 1 minute na lang. So, I'm just gonna wait for it and then let's go to work. Okay. Hello guys. So, nandito na ako sa area but it's still kinda early. I pick up my babysit at 6:30 to like 4:30 and it's still 4:22 so I still have like 8 to 10 minutes to spare kasi wala naman talagang exact. Like, i-open nila yung gates now 4:30 but syempre, may mga ginagawa pa doon, kukunin pa yung kid and whatever. So, that's like another 5 minutes. So, I don't mind being like a bit late kasi nga ang dami pang ng tao. So, now that I'm here na, pag talaga may taong dumadaan, nahihiya ako. Pero hindi naman sila kita, di ba? Anyway, so OOTD, bag is from, di ba? Wait, usad ako. Yeah, okay. So, bag is from Lacoste. My cardigan is from Primark. My top inside is from Lefties. Ano ba? Glasses are from Fairmont. I have my watches from Parfois. Pants, I think, is Bershka. And my doll shoes, I don't know if you can see it. Yan, pinaas ko talaga. Doll shoes is from a random store here in Valencia. So basically, that's the OOTD for today. Super chill. It's actually very warm if nasa sun ka. But if you're like here sa shaded part, it's windy. You can see my hair. It's flying. So yeah, that's it for today. And then later, I think mag-grocery kami. I'm not sure. Kasi time pa namang stuff sa bahay. So let's see about that. Hi ulit guys. May tips ba kayo para hindi maging mahiyain? Normal lang ba talaga maging mahiyain? Ewan ko ba? Parang kapag, siguro kasi kapag nakikita ko tumitingin sila sa akin, medyo nahihiya ako. Pero, what are the odds na makikita ko sila ulit, di ba? Sino ba sila? Anyways, naghahanap ako ng upuan sa mga park. Ayoko sana sa initan. Pero walang shaded part dito sa park. Ay. Gusto ko din sana mag-OOTD for TikTok kasi feel ko cute yung OOTD ko. Tsaka kasi mas madali mag-OOTD pag sunny days na. Kapag malamig, winter, parang tamad na tamad ako. Ayun lang, share ko lang. Okay, I found a spot na hindi masyado mainit. So mag-wait tayo ng 5 minutes here. And then we go.
Y ahora no me llaméis.
Wait lang, sinisipon ako. Good morning, guys. It's already a Thursday. I don't think I have enough videos for this week kasi grabe, sobrang busy ko. As in, hindi ko nadadala yung cam ko, hindi ko nalalabas yung recording, whatever. But yeah, right now, I'm kinda late for my paddle class, but just like 5 minutes, so I'm walking, and then after, I might get coffee. Tapos, i-get ko na rin yung package ko from Shein. I'm very excited about it kasi andun yung ibang fits ko for next week's Murcia trip. Wala lang. Feeling ko against the light to kasi ayun yung sun sa likod. But, yeah, malapit na ako. It's like a minute walk. So, I'll see you in paddle class. Hello, good afternoon. So, right now, I think it's around 5, I left 5:30, so baka 5:50 na. Oh, a flower store. Ayan, bilis niya ma-distract. But, now, I'm just walking. Hala, may bagong coffee shop. Tamo. Pero punta lang ako dun sa isa sa favorite ko na coffee shops. Magti-take out lang ako ng coffee. Hala, ang daming bagong coffee shop dito. Hi, I like it. So, mag-take out lang ako ng coffee. Tapos, punta na ako sa tutor. Kasi I have a tutor from 6 p.m. to 8:15. Kasi may 15-minute break kami in between. But yeah, I'm walking already. So, ayun. Ang daming nice place dito. Ngayon lang ulit kasi ako naglakad.
El efectivo. Gasta la venta sería perfecto.
Weird pala kapag wala siyang stand kasi kailangan ko hanapin yung area kung saan siya mag-stand. Kasi magnet sa chair. It magnets sa chair. So this is my eyes coffee. Ang ganda ng color niya. So let's mix it.
¿No? O sea, estuvo debatiendo sin antes ir a comprobar
So, I think it's literally just ice and coffee. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, if gusto ko daw na sugar, kuha ako. But my tutor is like 2 blocks away, which is, I guess, 2-minute walk. Sarap. Hala, lobat na siya. Hindi ko napansin na lobat na pala siya. But, sabi ko nga sa inyo, sobrang chill ng ano ko lately, ng days. Well, hindi siya chill. Sobrang busy ko to the point na hindi ako maka-video. Hala, hindi ko alam. Ano ba tawag doon? Chill ba yun o busy? But, yung mga days na wala akong ginagawa, sobrang chill. Like today, earlier, nagkaroon ako ng work sa morning. So, nag-work ako ng 9 to 11, tapos 12 to 2. Well, dapat hanggang 12 to 1 lang yun, pero super tamad ako. So, umabot siya ng 2 p.m. And then I just went home. I slept. Finally, nakatulog ako ng hapon. And then after, it's currently 8 p.m. So, I'm craving for cheesecake. I might go sa cheesecake place or meet Kendall. And then, bala ko mag-deposit ng money kasi nag-auto-debit na yung mga kailangan ko bayaran. Tapos walang laman yung card ko. So, let's go. Guys, change of plans. Nasa Lefties ako. Bumili ako ng t-shirt and a short. Kasi buwisit si Kendall. Nagaya siya bigla mag-gym. So, kalimutan muna natin yung agendas for today. Mag-gym tayo. Para mi punto para mi leche sabor ataro mediano también puedo caliente sí Ten coco. Miss ko na yung coco sa Pinas. Miss ko na yung yung favorite ko na coco sa Pinas. Guys, 10. Kasi nilagyan ng asukal, nilagyan uli ng takip. 5-star review ka sa akin. Thank you, Coco. Tagal naman matapos ng April, hindi pa tapos yung addiction ko sa ube. 1 month. Kuya, sarap talaga ng
Barcelona
cheese
pa siya.